first year, ne?
Yep.
Yeah, I was saying like,
You look like
if you were a homework, I would do you every day.
What do
You don't
I'll do
understand.
every day?
If you're homework, I do you every day. That's the.
Why that line in particular?
Can I just get your help quickly? Oh my gosh, you guys are looking hella cute though. Actually, please just unlock my phone for me there. Is it unlocked?
Yeah, it is.
Please just come here. Yeah, please just type your numbers out. In a rush.
Oh my god.
That was smooth. That was hella smooth.
Guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today is gonna be an amazing day, guys. You know, you guys know that I'm slick with everything that I do. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys a few secrets, bro. Unspoken words type shit. Yeah, guys, it's a beautiful day. The sun's out, and yeah, guys, let's get into the video.
Yeah, do anything for the chick, I tell her to shake that ass. Yeah, cause you living with the bros, so we tryna get to the cash. Dash, like we running from the 12. Shout out to Lil 12. Stick on me like bamboo. I put your gun in a gun mood.
Got onto campus and we just bumped into our homie. Bro, the guy just had the laptop on him, so we're just gonna use everything to make this video work. So guys, thank you.
Enjoy your laptop. It doesn't have a police. It does a emotion. Get called.
To King Dube.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Hey guys, it's your boy Lebogang Leisa, back at it again, top 2 but not 2.
Nice quality. I like the quality.
Baby, today we're at the University of Wits, and you guys can see, man, my hands are full. You guys saw the title, and this is the easiest way, man, to get numbers on campus, bro. And yeah, guys, let's get these scenes, bro. Excuse me, how are you? I just need your help with my phone quickly. Now, please just type your number out. You're so gorgeous. What's your name?
Lerato.
Oh, Lerato. My name is, just type your name out now. My name is Lebogang.
Alright.
And your name?
Mantombazane. Ngilula kanjena kanti. Nithule.
Nah, that's smooth, bro. This nigga's smooth.
It's a nice idea.
This nigga's
Okay,
smooth.
yeah.
This nigga's too smooth.
To the sesijwayele ukudripa lana dodla intombi.
Umshaya ngesinga. Umshaya isinga.
Yeah.
Uyagibela noma ngigibele.
Ubishaya ngesizwe yini.
Oh my god. I'm not co-signing rape culture, guys. It's just a joke.
Wait.
Kanya, why is your friend so beautiful? You don't know.
He's Google up. Let's date his Google.
Yeah, I think he kind of pushed it.
Man, relax.
He said too much.
Window, relax.
Oh my gosh, your eyes. They're really beautiful eyes.
Thank you.
Now have a good day, nah? Hey man, bro, we just got them digits, bro. Let's get into the video. Hey ladies, can I just get your help quickly? Yeah, please just come up here. Oh my gosh, you guys are looking hella cute though. Actually, please just unlock my phone for me there. You guys having a good day?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah,
Yeah.
can you see over there? Is it unlocked?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, just come here. Yeah, please just type your numbers out. Just in a rush.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Let's go. Let's
That
go.
was nice.
That was smooth,
I
bro.
wonder if the confidence is the same off camera. I wonder.
Yeah.
No, I told you, like, you look hella cute.
That was smooth.
That was smooth.
That was smooth. That was hella smooth.
Yeah,
That was smooth. I'm so guys.
Give me numbers. Don't. Thank you for the compliment, but give me numbers. You probably got it. He's so smooth, but no thanks.
What is it?
No. Sapokas.
Oh, Sapo guys.
Yeah.
My name is Lebogang. Hello, how are you? Can I ask you a question? You know, I just bought a new laptop, you know, and I don't know how to use it. So I just wanted to know, are you like a keyboard? Are you a keyboard? Yeah, you know, I just bought a new laptop, you know, and I don't know how to use it. So I just wanted to know, are you like a keyboard?
I wanna push.
Paid actress.
Are you a
What's going
keyboard?
on?
I'm gonna push against you.
Yeah. Because you might type.
Are you a keyboard?
Nah, that was
You're my
smooth,
type.
you know. Be honest, that was smooth though. Yeah, what's your name? Happiness. Oh my god, it's just the happiest day of my life. Please just help me with my phone here. Please just unlock it.
What am I doing with
No, just unlock it there. I need to call someone.
Oh.
Yeah, and then just type your numbers out there. Happiness. Okay, what?
Not that chair.
That's funny, but I feel like you're laughing at me for no reason. How are you? Do you know where West Campus is?
Across the bridge.
Alright, I just need to call someone. Please help me with my phone over here. I'm just carrying on now.
Go to concerts, this is sad. How?
There's always a loophole.
Just unlock it for me. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, please just type your numbers out. Actually, look, it's stunning. Please just type them out. Trust me, like I'm carrying everything right now. What's funny?
You genuinely wanted to show somebody.
No, like I want to call you later on. You know. What's your name, by the way?
Leanne.
Leanne. Oh, my name is Lebogang. So Lebogang Leanne. Just perfect. Yeah, look, you're blushing already. Just type them out while the phone is unlocked. You
No,
know?
it's very good, but no.
Yo, man, them, you're pissing me off, you know. I don't know what's going on. You're just ruining it.
Dude, black niggas
With the UK accent is the worst.
worst.
Nonsense. Nonsense.
It's the worst thing ever.
Like,
Like,
it's
I'm
in
sorry.
Nonsense.
I'm sorry for saying it, but
Nonsense.
it sounds so weird.
Constantly like ngathi khona emoyeni akukho right konke eshodayo kuyazwakala
Like, hey, kwenzeka ngebase, like every base streets. It was
This
Come on,
kid,
Lips,
this
you're
kid.
ruining it. Ruining the fun for the next man.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was smooth. Yeah.
You can see I just have a lot on my plate right now. But when I take you out on a date, there'll be a lot on our plate, you know.
You gave him.
Yeah,
Gave
yeah.
him. Let me hold it.
akukhona umngane nawe uyafunda
You gave him.
you gave him awona kube lebisi le galo nobabili isitibela shimo
You can see I just have a lot on my plate right now. But when I take you out on a date, there'll be a lot on our plate, you know.
You gave him.
Yeah, yeah.
Gave him.
Yeah.
Let me hold this.
Thank you so much, you know. I'm not sneaky, I'm a smooth criminal. Just say I'm a smooth criminal. Okay, nice meeting you. Give me a hug quickly, nah. Sharp, nah. Please just I need your help. Please just unlock my phone for me.
I'm late for class.
Oh, you late for class?
Yeah.
manje uhamba kancane nje
Is it unlocked? Yeah, it's unlocked, right? Please just type in your number. Stunning, right?
Thanks.
What's your name?
Always.
My name is Leisa, by the way. You know, I wanted to
Leisa.
disturb you going to class.
It's okay.
Yeah. You also have this chilled energy about you. You know? What's your star sign?
uthuli
Taurus and Scorpio, perfect match. Didn't you know? But anyways, have a good day now. I'll text you and bye-bye, nah. Excuse me? How are you?
Wow, haha. I want that treasure. How can I get it? Let me get some.
I'm good. I just wanted to find out, do you know where West Campus is? Oh my gosh, you're so gorgeous, you know. Are you a keyboard?
what
Huh? Because no, I just bought this laptop.
are you a keyboard
I hate pickup lines like that.
pick up line nje uyindoda enjani says pick up line
I mean, it's fine in terms of like
okay ayiphi pick up line yenza sense
pickup line in the sense. Let me see. I think pickup line is a bad word because I think people when they hear pickup line they think of like one-liners and asking girls questions. So let me see.
ayisebenzi boy
Not really. I think if you always need to have a template. Especially if you're someone who's not used to talking to people, you always need to have a template. So I think pickup line is a bad word.
mafika amantombazana fanele uhambe ne-situation ungakhulumi into efunde kubangani bakho khuluma ngento e-relevant manje into eyenza isense manje hayi ukuthi into oyipracticile futhi like khuluma into eqondile enza isense manje
No, but here's the thing. Some people don't have that ability to go and just talk and just make a conversation out of nothing. Some people don't have that kind of...
foster njengomzekeze ke fanele ubone iplan ndoda
No, but okay, the problem with... I think pickup lines are a bad word, but if you say something, like say it in a conversational way, it's better.
but it needs to make sense to whatever is the situation at that point. That's why you need to ayispani. You just need to buka umuntu, buka situation, ungene ngayo. That's it. iba on point, iba authentic.
And I think like, yeah, I get what you're saying, but okay, for example, if like say like it's a bunch of girls,
Yeah.
You can go to like you can go to a bunch of them. Especially some guys have a problem with like talking to a girl
Multiple
when
girls at
there's
once, yeah.
multiple when she has a friend around. You
I
can
don't
just go.
do that either.
Yeah, sometimes you can just go to them, say
Yeah.
hi.
Yeah, if I know ringing about one game.
My name is this, and can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
And then you can get into maybe ask them what. So you guys are friends, right? Yeah, we're friends. So when one of you has something good going, like there's something positive that's happening for them, do you guys celebrate or you low-key hate? They're gonna be like, we celebrate or whatever. Okay, yeah, because all of you guys are just beautiful. Like all of you guys are just
It's
beautiful.
not something I would say, but
But
okay.
you,
Yeah.
but you
Average
especially.
future ngfanele.
No.
I mean, come on.
No, because here's the thing. If you say you especially,
Yeah.
you are very beautiful. In that way, she's gonna smile, and then they're all gonna smile.
So men's Beyonce. Yeah.
Yeah, because you put them all over,
Yeah. Then you put her top
and
tier.
then you put her top tier. In that way, because what girls do sometimes is that if a guy approaches one girl, they all gonna laugh at the guy or whatever,
Yeah, kuba.
or it's gonna be a weird thing. But
Yes,
now
but
if you
what
keep
she
them,
about what?
if you keep them. Sure,
Oh, square there.
So yeah, that's what I'm saying. If you keep them all like, if you put them all over,
Yeah.
it makes sense.
I get what you mean.
Like you need
Now,
to.
once I'm a Tombazana.
I think pickup line is a bad word. I think you just need a template.
Yeah. The thing is, nakhona girls in groups. Papa, yo.
That's true.
Papa.
But shy
You
game,
know,
Papa.
and I just wanted to know if you like the keyboard because you might type, bruh. Like, oh my gosh, look at you, bruh. What's funny? Oh, you're flashing.
What's funny?
Oh my gosh, please just help me with my phone. You know, I need to call my friend.
Nancy, boy,
Even the nails are looking cute. This is my type. Just press the side. Yeah, please just type out the numbers while you edit, you know. What's your name?
Lisa.
Oh, that's my surname, baby girl. That's my, like, with the E though. My name is
Lisa.
Lebogang Leisa. You can be Lisa. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Yeah.
Hello. Can I just get your help quickly though? What's your name? Okay, sorry, just
there's some guys are fancy phone.
please just unlock my phone for me there. As you can see my hands are so full right now.
Yes, sir.
Just click it
Why
on
not go to the other one?
Oh yeah.
this. I almost scraped my knee
No.
falling foot.
I think it's because we are no meal.
Okay.
You know, just type your name.
No, trip.
Oh my god.
No, that's fine. Like you can see it's exactly I took,
Oh,
right?
you did this on purpose.
No, like serious.
Okay. I have 2 numbers though.
2 numbers. I want 8 numbers. So put them all there.
6, 7, 6.
Yeah, like thing is, you know, when I see a beautiful girl, like I just get nervous. Yo,
Okay.
I usually don't stumble like that.
That's the biggest thing on my cheetah.
Yeah.
They always talk themselves out of the pants, man. Like, shut up and let it happen.
If she's gonna fuck you, she's gonna fuck you.
Straight.
Just stop talking.
Unplanned. Oh my gosh, like you're glowing right now, you know?
Stop talking.
I mean, come on, didn't you look at the mirror when you woke up? You didn't? You didn't want to wake up? Anyways, give me a quick hug though. I'll see you now.
She was dead.
Ama-psychologist asevetsi kanti enzani kanti yini emsebenzweni.
Sharp, have a good day, Lisa. Bye bye. Huh? I just got lost in your eyes though. You know, I'm new on campus. I just got my laptop.
Oh, you knew.
Yeah, I'm new. I just transferred, you know, I'm the new kid on the block. So when am I taking you out? Like after all of that,
Oh my god.
I need to take you out. Huh? Saturday.
Where Jesus? Who makes me?
Ngalokho ukukhwahlakele uyokuthumela ebafaneni. Ufakaza kuqala sathi
Yabo kubushelene.
oh
Uyamazi.
sekafuna ukugqilazeka manje.
Yena ile type.
King hands for me. Okay.
Uqeda ukuhlala namadoda amasha uthi hayi hambani chomi right. What thing right.
Ndeqeda uxoxa ngale TikTok. Athi khona logene kumaziyo.
No, but
They're
they're both pretty. But the one who's facing that way is.
I'm not co-signing anything.
Yeah. But anyways, thank you. Just put it over here. But anyways, nice meeting you, nah. Have a good day, guys, nah.
Out the chillin', ain't bad. Who's it going, Jack? Hold on, yeah, did it easily. Different types of cheese in me, I'm freezing. Try some out for a reason, get to it first.
Yo, guys, so I just bumped into a subscriber right now, and he says he watches the videos. Now, what's your name? Are you confident, bro?
Yeah, I am.
You confident? So I'm gonna give you one pickup line, nah? And I need you to use it on a.
Wena mangabe kuyile keyboard iyeke mntanami iyeke mtshela ukuthi wena nama subscribe akho kalike ukudakela ukutshela are you your type like
girl and get a number, nah? So, my G, I'm gonna give you a line, and the line that I'm gonna give you, you must go up to a girl and say.
I feel like playing a zombie game. I wonder what game can I play?
is it Alliance?
Is that the zombie apocalypse one?
It's dis.gg.com.
What the fuck does that spell? Jesus Christ, you're so bad at spelling. Oh. Okay, so they bad at spelling.
Say, are you homework? Because I do you every day. It's simple.
Hello. Hi. If you're at homework, I will do you every day. Like I just saw you and I think you're really pretty. Like I would like to get your numbers.
Bajika bamzungeza bonke. Bajika bamzungeza bonke.
Why did he pick 4?
Dog, come on.
Just
See,
so you.
that's what I was talking about, where you go to girls and sometimes they're talking to each other.
Yeah.
And
So uthini?
so rather than addressing one of them, just address all of them.
Yeah, that's true.
Because then you're putting them all over, and once you pick one, they're gonna support that shit.
You first year, ne?
Yep.
Yeah, I was saying
You
like
look like a yeah.
if you were at homework, I would do you every day.
Ningahleki.
What did
You
you say?
don't
I'll do
understand.
you every day.
If you're homework, I do you every day. That's the.
Why that line in particular?
Akithi lo mphathi wakhe lo umnikele.
Subscribe D. Subscribe B.
Umnikele abalayini akhavile.
Right.
She doesn't want to give you her number.
Mkhulumela. Khohlakela manje no phone.
Inkosi yami, washo babdoda ukuthi yazi intombazane emhlophe ayinamqondo.
Ile pride.
Ayinamqondo.
Kumantombazane ke lana ukhulumela abangani benu. Shut the fuck up.
Ningahleki guys.
Ningahleki.
Amane
That's deep.
naye wabaqala bolanda 4.
Basuke.
Why not?
Because she doesn't want you.
Ha.
Why is she bearing the lead? Why is she bearing the lead?
Yabo le ndaba ukuthi you are the only 6 in
Because I got food. We have food.
Yabo le ndaba leyo ukuthi you are the only girl who's almost nice in the crew. Ihlupha la. Ngoba so frustrated ukuthi aba approach ka wena.
No, I
Fucking
think, I
bastard.
think the girl to her
What?
left is prettier.
That's what I said. You're the only almost pretty girl. That's what I said.
Yeah, but that's not divide and conquer, guys. All I'm saying is that
No.
wait.
Asiringe any var.
yeah, but we cannot outcast.
I'm not outcasting anything. Ngibeka izinto icace ukuthi nina ecishe niba bahle kulaba crew enu.
Mention ne confident.
Khohlakele kabi ugqoke ne smartwatch ingakungashelo.
Okay, cool. Yeah, nice to meet you. I'll see you around.
Why?
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Feeling right, I just woke up stressed.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Debza, man. I just got out of like a lecture, guys. It was so long, bro, and it was kind of boring. No cap. Like right now, we're on campus. The sun is out. The ladies are out, bro. Yeah, guys. So we're gonna switch it up a bit. I'm gonna be dropping some books, and yeah, guys, let's get into.
Manje leshanda isimanga Spanish abazothini? Le golf cart.
No, Spanish.
Yeah, kekho umuntu ongitshela ukunoka ngithi.
I think it's for disabled people.
Yeah,
Well, I would hope so.
I'm disabled. You
Well,
don't
not
know.
mentally. Then why you advance?
Oh, what the fuck does that mean?
Yeah, but
That's discriminating. Oh, come on, nigga,
it's fair.
it doesn't know yonke. Like she do, like it does have not.
All that shit do.
To the video.
For like man.
He's a hard man.
Good debate.
Oh, I did not say that. I did not say that. Wow.
No, it's pure physics. Weight plus velocity. That velocity, weight, and all the shit.
High. What is it?
Velocity, friction, weight, that thing. They're steep.
Yeah.
Force equals balance. Whatever.
Oh shit. Please help me. Oh my gosh. I've literally just been having like the clumsiest day ever.
Sorry.
Oh my. You have beautiful eyes.
Thanks.
What's your name?
This is giving a movie.
This is literally a movie. What's your name?
There's someone recording a movie.
Give me a hug, baby.
Oh my God! I knew the phone. The phone was made up. Like, please help me.
No, but then like that, literally we cannot tell our kids how we make, you know?
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
Like, what's your name?
Like, you know, if I was doing like, take that telephoto like lens.
Yeah.
Stand very far, like very very.
Yeah.
Like,
No, but ngaphandle kwalokho noma abafuna ukuma ekudeni, at least thola umuntu ozoba i-decoy, like ame phambi camera, then you like, you know.
Thing is, it's hard not to see someone being still because people tend to focus mabashut, so it's hard not to see someone who's very focused. Especially now that
what I'm talking
because
about,
everyone is moving.
Yes, but what I'm talking about is ima eceleni komuntu ophethe camera.
Oh yeah.
Like i-lens like ivele la. Because now mabu umewedwa nawo kanje. Oh that ngondo. Yes a lot man. But you're loser.
My name is Mpo.
Mpo, I'm Devin.
Is there a
Nice to meet you.
camera?
Steve.
Can I get your numbers?
Is this part of YouTube?
No, thing is we're gonna show our kids how we met. And then yeah. Put your numbers on my phone.
I'm just doing it for content, eh?
Yeah.
Please, I guess.
What's your name, Mpo?
Yes.
So Mpo, I'm gonna take you out. What do you like eating?
I don't like eating on first date.
What do you like doing?
It gets in the way.
It gets in the way, yeah? Okay, we'll do like a fun activity, you know, we can talk,
Yeah.
get some drinks, you know what I mean? But then, yeah, I love you, man. I'll see you next time.
Guys.
Ciao. But she look kind of mad. We're gonna make a day. Oh shit! Please help me. Please help me. Like I just.
Ah, girls
When I-
don't give a
Yabona
fuck.
intombazane efaka ama-earphone. Tanam.
Go.
Umqansa.
Funa umphosele ka. Please help me.
Umshaye nge-typeg.
Umshaye ngefile.
Uyamjikjela. Umshaye nge-paper cut.
Uyazi le file levele enamalento.
Le insimbi le
Eyinsimbi. Umshaye ngayivuliwe. Sorry, please help me.
umtshekisa i-hairstyle naye ambi athi eish ukuthi hayi.
I'm literally having the shittiest day ever. Sorry. What do you mean by that? Okay, what's your name? This girl's out, bro.
That was easiest way to get any girls by who's this guy?
His number by Lebogang.
Lebogang.
But it's ngoitin. It's a cheat code. It's like the chances of this shit happening generally, it's just like but yeah.
Yeah, and it was an entertaining video, I won't lie.
It was.
We'll probably watch Picking Up Moms in South Africa, how that is.
Okay. Sibone events. Anko impressed ngevets, nge-infrastructure. But yeah.
Yini ngesimo? Yini wrong ngesimo sakho?
No, I'm quite impressed, man. Events, man. You know, it's
Okay.
so you talk. For you come an HR, net dean of students, dean of students.
Can be. Okay.
But
Yeah.
yeah, sure.
Sharp. Do.